All right, let's break down the principle of experimental design in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine you've got a burning question, like, does playing music help plants grow faster? That's your scientific question, the thing that kicks everything off. But you can't just stop there. You need a hypothesis, like, plants exposed to music grow taller than those that aren't. That's your best guess, and it's what you're going to test. Next up, variables. There are two main stars here. The independent variable is what you change. The dependent variable is what you measure. Everything else? You want to keep those things the same, so they're constants. Same soil, same amount of water, same lighting. If you mess with those, your results could get all wobbly. Now let's talk control and experimental setups. Your control group is the baseline, plants that don't get any music. The experimental group? Beethoven K-pop. By comparing them, you can actually tell if the music made a difference. But here's the thing. Experiments are sneaky. Confounding variables can creep in. Stuff you didn't think about, maybe one group gets a little more sunlight. That can mess with your data, so you need to spot those troublemakers and control for them as best you can. Replicates multiple trials are your safety net. Don't just test one plant, use several, and try the experiment more than once. This helps make sure your results aren't just a fluke. The more data you get, the more confident you can be. Once you've got your data, it's time to make inferences. That just means looking at your results and figuring out what they actually mean. Did the plants with music really grow taller, or was it just a random chance? Stat's simple graph can tell a story. And finally, be honest about sources of error. Maybe you spilled water, or your cat knocked over a plant. Science isn't perfect. Mistakes happen. Just make a note so you and anyone else looking at your work know what might have affected the results. So, there you have it. That's experimental design. Ask a good question, set up your experiment carefully, and be ready for a few surprises along the way. Science is all about curiosity and a little bit of detective work. Pause for conclusion.